Some facts about lightning. Lightning is caused by static electricity in the atmosphere. It can occur within a cloud, between clouds, or between a cloud and the ground. Lightning can reach temperatures up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. Thunder is caused by the rapid expansion of air heated by lightning. Lightning can travel up to 130,000 miles per hour and can strike the same place twice. Lightning kills around 24,000 people per year. Lightning provides nitrogen to soil. The study of lightning is called fulminology. To know more facts, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.